Where else are you going to find a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL trim with all the bells and whistles like this? CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, 3 different drive modes. Oh, and by the way, 35,254 miles. So while we're looking at the instrument cluster, I'm going to press the drive mode button by the shifter, and you can see we go to sport mode, smart mode, comfort mode. And it does this all seamlessly with the push of a button. You can do this while you're driving. On this side here, you have your driver side window controls and lock buttons and everything. Get an idea of the other technology in this car. So it's extremely spacious, this vehicle. Very comfortable, it rides well, suspension is nice. I want to show you the outside of the vehicle now. Step out here. As you can see, the paint is in really good condition. All 4 wheels have a set of new tires on them. This is the 4-cylinder, however, it's plenty of power, especially when you put it in the sport mode. I like to call this one Black Beauty because the paint is just so nice. Really stands out here. Open up the liftgate for you. Just pop that button. I do have this seat down, but you can kind of see how roomy this thing is here. Got your floor mats back here, nice and clean. Original factory floor mats. Press this button, put that down, and with one hand, I'm gonna put this seat back up as I film. So lift this here. See how easy that was? Just this lever right here. So whether you have kids, no kids, dogs, you're traveling to the airport, got a lot of groceries, going to the beach, whatever you're doing, you can just throw those seats down easily. You have the mounts for the car seats right on both sides right there. The tethers. That's what it looks like. The dash from the back. Headliner is nice and clean. No smells, no tears, no weird stains in the cloth. It's got a premium sound system. Again, this vehicle has only 35,000 miles on it, and we're looking to get $25,500 for this vehicle. Come test drive it today. We do finance. If you have any other questions, you can call us at 508-883-1346. My name is Abraham. Thank you.